yo, this ain't another disco track, so sit back, relax, and get ready for the next attack. Tip your cap, respect to strap in, cause this tune is fat, and it only gets better when the beat comes back. No need to Shazam this track, put on your phone, you're listening to JD and Conway Hammer. Funky like your nan's curtains, it's not a euphemism, just stating facts and doing it with precision. So hold up and listen, just go with the rhythm. Words fall into line, our soldiers ready to kill again. Tuna states we're grilling them, them is, yeah, we're filling them with good feels and good vibes, you know we'll have a good night. Follow the beat of the bass, you know it's like a hymn and hum along. Come with us now, have fun, join in, don't be one of them. Hate for the sake, don't wanna participate, but we don't discriminate at the disco rate. It's not Jesus, it's music to save the lead. Doesn't matter about the creed or the mix. Grab a glow stick and come get your dancing feet. Surrounded by like-minded audio feeds. To have a night for you and your mates is so serene. On a journey into time and space, and I won't be phased. Turn the set into stun and bring your pager. Hit you with the disco flavour that can't be knocked. Don't waste our time or you will get clocked. Part-time ravers, show some love to your neighbours. For Saturday night's alright when you got the hay fever. The answer's been heaven sent. This is the reverend, the drugs in my residence. Forgive me while I skin up, apologise my irreverence. Busting into the room to address all of your elephants. Never forget, stand tall, say no, I'm setting precedents. Don't interrupt me, I'll cut you off, that's your severance. I'm memorable, like dead presidents. Linking a weekend in Sin City for the hell of it. Bruce Willis, you're gonna die hard cause I'm killing it. Don't dispute the evidence, like episodes of Friends, we're still relevant. There's drama while we're camping out, it's too tense. Gotta tie up the loose ends. Don't pretend you're fine, you're not, your mind's lying. Red arrows coming at you, I'm on the trigger, spit fire. Size 11 please. The only lines I do are on my lawn, straight to appease my neighbours. They call me Mr. Green Fingers. To me that means two things and therefore we're smart leaders.
Thank you for watching, and remember, if you or someone you know would like more information about employment at an Oklahoma Ford dealer, please contact me at 918-928-7433 or email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. For other videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, Oklahoma Ford Dealers Technician Connection. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.